Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Today y'all, we are doing a Ulta and Sephora haul, but really it's focusing on Ulta from the 25 days of beauty. So I hope you are ready to grab your snack. Let's talk about it. Did you shop it? Over here on my channel, you're gonna get beauty, lifestyle, fashion, motherhood, and everything girly in between. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. But let's talk about the items that I got from the Ulta 25 days of beauty sale. I am gonna start with this Sephora bag because I literally went in there to grab a couple of samples of some new foundations because the girls have been dropping foundations, and before I commit to the bottle, I do want to try it first. So I did pick up the Patrick Ta, I picked up the new Huda Beauty, and I also picked up the new Too Faced. So stay tuned for me to try those out on separate videos. So make sure your notification bell is on. But I also wanted to try this because I just keep seeing this come across my feed like it's just crazy, like wildfire. So this is the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. Now I'm not a mattifying girl, but what I want to try and see if it, you know, meets its claims is a lot of the girls are saying that this has kept their makeup in place like no other. So that's what I want to test out, the longevity of this. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work, although I am going to do my luminosity look, my glowy, my dewy looks, and hopefully it doesn't mattify me too much, but it will hold and give the setting that it's supposed to claim it does. So yeah, I just picked that up, and then the wonderful associate at this Sephora just gave me a lot of things to try out. I have never tried the Makeup by Mario concealer, so I'm excited to try that out. I also got this Jo Malone fragrance in Frangipani flower. I've never tried this before, but it is definitely floral. I sprayed it on here, so it's definitely floral. Girl, if you don't like floral, this may not be the one for you, but it is a beautiful scent. It's beautiful. I feel like you can pair this with some things. It's beautiful, but that's the Jo Malone Frangipani flower. Sorry if I am butchering that. I also got a tester of the Sephora Vitamin C Super Glow Serum. I actually have this in my collection. Love, love, love that stuff. And then this is the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, which I'm gonna use for sure. And then this, the Tatcha, the Water Cream Moisturizer. I am gonna use this as well. So those are the goodies that I got from Sephora. So now on to the Ulta stuff. So as y'all know, Ulta does this every year. It's 25 days of beauty. Every day, a select amount of brands will be 50% off. And so of course I was going in there quite frequently this time around. This first item is not a part of the sale. I just wanted to get another one. This is the Tree Hut Vanilla Shea Sugar Scrub. I love a good body scrub in general. It smells really like luxe and just fresh. Not too much, it's not too scented, it's just enough, just enough. It's not too sweet, just enough. But I love a good body exfoliant, especially, can't talk today, especially with working out. And when you get from the gym and all that, and you working out, you want to get all that off of you. So I definitely like using these, and also just exfoliating the body is a plus so that things can just be smooth, soft, and supple. Moving on to the items that were a part of the sale. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. It has the rose in here and the petals and all that stuff. This is a very, very good toner. It is very mild on the skin, but it, you know, it does what it needs to do. It tones the skin, hydrates the skin for sure. If you don't like the smell of roses though, this may not be for you, but it is definitely fresh. It just smells like I'm in a rose garden. So I just feel like it just adds that oomph to my skincare regimen. It makes me feel like I'm really truly pampering my skin with this. This is one of those toners that's gonna refresh the skin, hydrate the skin. I mean, it says with rose fruit extract and hyaluronic acid. As we know, hyaluronic acid is gonna lock in moisture, and that is what I love, being as though I have normal, sensitive to dry skin sometimes. So it's like, I just like to have my skin hydrated all the time. So yes, long drawn out answer for that. The next thing I picked up was the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, removes makeup, sunscreen, and debris. It's the Daily Skin Health, and that's what that looks like. I have actually never tried this, but Dermalogica is another great brand for the skincare, you know, products. And the bottle looks like that. Super excited to try this. When I take this makeup off, ooh, and it just smells so good. Like their products smell so good to me. I recently picked up the exfoliant, the Daily Exfoliant, and that has been doing some really, really good things on my skin, especially when I had that travel breakout over here. It made those bumps go down. The next thing I have is the Tarte. The funny thing is I have not purchased a Tarte product in so long, so I just had to get and I needed a new mascara anyway. I'm basically trying to declutter a lot of makeup that has just been sitting in my makeup drawer, and I need to like get some new stuff. And so all the new products that are coming out is just so exciting to me and just making me really dig into my makeup again, you know? So this is the Tarte Tartelette Extra Large Tubing Mascara. I think XL on this means extra long. Like it's gonna really, you know, make your lashes longer than what they normally are. This is in the shade Black. I did pick this up and I tried it. The packaging is so cute. It is one of those silicone brushes, I believe, but it definitely does the job of flaring out the lash. So I'm so excited to continue to use this. I tried it once as soon as I got it and I said I needed to share it with you guys, but this is the Tartelette XL Tubing Mascara, and it definitely will make your eyelashes more wispy, which I love, and flare out and give it more length. Of course, I picked up my faves. These are the Benefit Precisely Brow Pencils. I'm in the shade 4.5. I'm actually wearing one today, so I picked up some of those. I also picked up the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is in the shade Toasty Toffee. I just feel like when something like these brands that I'm showing you go on sale, girl, you better rack up, okay? That half price looks a lot better than the full price, honestly and truly. But Estee Lauder is that girl. She's been around. She's a legend. She's an OG. She's needed in your collection. Like, it's just that. It's so sleek and luxe. Can't wait to use this again. This is like one of those medium to full coverage foundations, buildable, comfortable on the skin, but looks so good on the skin. It's definitely going to give you that coverage you need. Chef's kiss. The next thing I'm going to talk about are the Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. I picked up 3 because I actually didn't get a chance to try these, and I know that she has some lip glosses out, the 3 that I picked up. So this is Nude and Dudes, HBIC, and Breadwinner. I tried to wear Nude and Dudes today, and girl, I couldn't figure out what lip liner goes with this because it actually pulled more peachy than nude to me on my skin tone. It's definitely pulling more peachy. So that is Nudes and Dudes. Packaging is cute. Let me know if you tried one of these already. What really caught my eye was these reds. I've been looking at these for a while, but every time, even before the sale, I just kept saying, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, and I never got it. So when it got on sale, I'm like, what do I have to lose at this point? Whoo! That HBIC, insane. Insane. It is like one of those velvety, creamy liquid lipstick. So it's gonna dry down matte. It's gonna dry down matte. I love a bloody red like this. Woo. And then this is Breadwinner. Breadwinner is like a brown, and the packaging, the packaging is very, very cute. They glide on so smooth like mousse. So when they dry down, ooh, I love a good red and a brown. And we're coming right up on the fall. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do a look and use this brown. So make sure you stay tuned for the makeup looks for fall. These, fire, fire. So I picked those up. Some of the stuff I purchased online and some of the stuff I picked up in store. And so the one thing I did get online when I picked up the Double Wear was this NYX blush. I felt like this color was just so different. Like I don't have a blush like this in my collection. Like, look at this color. Beautiful. These smell good. It smells good. I don't have a blush. I don't have the NYX Buttermilk blush. I do have the bronzer, and I'm wearing the bronzer today. But OMG. I feel like this could be a dupe for that new Fenty blush that came out that has like, it's like a purple shade like this. But let me know. I feel like the Fenty one may have a little bit more iridescent in there, but this has a slight iridescent. Like, that is a beautiful violet color. Like, ooh. This shade, Electric Fuchsia. It is definitely electric. And then I also was just about to check out, and I saw that e.l.f. had these new cream glide lip liners, and they were only $2. So I picked up the shade Mauve Aside. But my thing is, it is definitely creamy. It's creamy for sure. I just wish that they had more shades. Maybe they just didn't have it in my location. And then also, if you're gonna use, I would use this like to fill in my entire lip because this color is beautiful. That is the e.l.f. Creamy lip liner. Because they didn't have a deeper brown, I just felt like, I think this was the deepest one they had, this mauve, in my location. So I don't know, let me know if they have these in deeper colors. I may have to check the e.l.f. website. Maybe they just didn't release them all to the Ulta stores. But these were only $2, girl. You will have to sharpen it though. I also picked up a new lip liner by Juvia's Place. This is in the shade So Rare. Now, I do have on right now the shade Brownie, but So Rare looks like it's, I'm not sure if it will, let's see. Ooh, yes. I like that. That is the Juvia's Place So Rare lip liner. Because I said I wanted a deeper, I want a brown lip liner, but the brownie one is a little deep sometimes for me. But this, that's gonna be nice. Lastly is the Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have it on right now with the Juvia's Place liner in Brownie. This is in the shade Gingerbread. And it is this beautiful nude. I think it's so cute. And it's a true nude, and it's also a true liquid lipstick. And that's what the wand looks like. I'll put it next to here. I have all these swatches on my hand. But that is the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in Gingerbread. And it just pulls really pretty on me. I really like the nude pinky look. But the difference with the two of these, I don't know if you can tell, like this velvety one, it still pulls peach even as it's drying down. And this is pulling more pink, which I like. I like a little more pinky nude than a peachy nude on my skin tone. So we'll see. We'll try to finesse it or not. That is everything that I got from the Ulta 25 Days of Beauty and a little something from Sephora. But let me know if you shopped the Ulta sale. What did you pick up? Did you pick up any of these? What are your thoughts on these? Have you tried these? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.